guys, it is your girl Gigi here again, once again, bringing you a new video. Okay guys, so I have started another challenge, and yes, it is the jump rope challenge. So this challenge is 21 days. So basically it is part of my health and fitness regime. I'm always thinking and coming up with different ways of being healthy, how to lose weight, how to stay fit, and things of that nature. So this is my newest one. Basically, it is me doing my cardio. So basically my jump rope is the cardio. So basically I'll be doing 3 sets of 50 seconds of jumping rope. So I'll also be doing my walking, which I do daily, which is basically 3 laps around my apartment complex, as well as I do my intermitting weights. So I'll do weights like 3 times a week, but I'll do the jump rope and the walking every single day. Probably except like a day or 2, but at least 5 times a week. And then in between I'll do the 3 weights. And so also I'm starting a 21-day smoothie fast. So that basically will mean that I'm doing 2 smoothies, as far as replacing 2 meals with 2 smoothies, and I'll be doing 1 meal a day. And in between, if I do get hungry, I'll substitute with like low carb fruit. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see how that works. I'm just coming off of my 30-day weight loss challenge, and it went well, and I lost a good between 5 to 8 pounds, give or take. A lot of it was water weight, so that kind of like jump started me into doing this. So we'll see how this works and how it goes, and hopefully you guys can join me and we can get to doing this jump rope challenge and we can lose some weight. Hey, how about it? Okay, so thank you guys for supporting and thanks for watching. And before you go, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. All right, so next time, mwah.